Hi Saurabh, one people commented that he wanted to know in which financial sector you are currently investing in.
We've been aggressively buying financials in our Kings of Capital portfolio for the last year or so. Clearly, financials haven't had the greatest run, especially high quality financials like the sort we prefer. HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life haven't had the greatest run, but we are undeterred by that. We continue loading up on these names, and to our mind, the results, not just of our investee company, generally good results from good lenders, are evidence that the economy is recovering. B, good lenders are making solid ROEs in this economic recovery, and hence, as we have at least a 2 year visibility on a decent economic recovery in our country. To my mind, it's a no-brainer that top quality financial services companies should be a straightforward way to profit from that, rather than speculating in frothy names with non-existent fundamentals.
Thank you very much, Saurabh.